In this video, I'm testing the high frame rate or slow motion feature of the Canon R8. I'm gonna roll the first part of the film I shot, then I'll tell you my opinion about it. My default setting on the Canon R8 is 24 frames per second. So when I want to shoot slow motion clip, I have to change the parameters. The R8 can shoot high frame rate at 120 frames per second in Full HD. But the catch is, when you enable this feature, the camera will automatically set back to 60 frames per second. So this is something to keep in mind when switching off the high frame rate feature. So as I said, the high frame rate is 120 frames per second in Full HD only and not 4K. And as you might have seen on the first part of the film, the quality of the image is not optimum. Now let's roll the second part to have a better look. Beside the lower image quality in 124 frames per second in Full HD, I feel that the autofocus performance is also less good than in other frame rates. Probably in my next videos, I'm gonna prefer the 60 frames per second in 4K rather than the high frame rates at 120 only in Full HD. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Now let's roll the last part of the film and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, enjoy the ride and spread the love.